Start. Go.
Hello, this is Slimetastic Food, and today we're making the Slimer food. And just a little logo, Slimetastic Food. You can get everything here for Slimer. So now we have to. Milo, can you stop real quick? Now we have to flip. Now we have the slime burrito. And if we do that and push down, we have a slime-tastic sandwich. Eat it. This is only food for a Slimer. I'm not the Slimer. I'm just the slime chef. Now, Milo, you can pick that up. Yes. A 1, a 2, a 3. Now, now I'm about to make a pancake
with some pudding on top.
I'm about to make a gigantic pancake
with poop on top.
Yeah. Here goes the poop. This is not done. Smack down. One twice now. Milo. Milo, you about to make your own show.
Here, bud.
Make your own show.
Here's your stuff.
Yeah. Now. Press down.
It's got some slime in here.
Oh, don't put it in the water, buddy.
Ew. It's got slime in there.
Okay. Don't put it in the water, okay?
Now I shall flip on my face. Now here's the pancake. Now I had to make some designs. And now I shall put the cherry on top. And I have to do it.
Here, I'll give you a cherry. Here's a cherry.
Here's the cherry. No, this is food for the Slimer, not people. A cherry on top.
Mmm.
Oh, your cherry.
Now here's your customized slime food.
You lost the cherry.
Well, we'll see you next time on Slimetastic Food.
Bye-bye.
And that's a go.